Welcome to our video on healthy snacking. Today, we'll explore the benefits of healthier snack choices and provide practical tips. Healthy snacking can boost your energy, improve your mood, and support your overall health. We'll tackle common misconceptions and guide you on selecting nutritious snacks. Next, we'll share tasty, easy to prepare ideas perfect for a balanced diet. You'll learn useful strategies to incorporate these habits into your daily routine. So, stay tuned for an engaging and informative journey into the world of healthy snacking. Let's get started. Why does healthy snacking matter? Healthy snacks boost energy, improve mood, and support overall health. Frequent snacking on nutrient dense foods keeps metabolism running smoothly and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Many think snacking is bad for health, but choosing the right snacks makes all the difference. It's more about making mindful choices that contribute to wellness. Nourishing snacks can prevent overeating at mealtimes and help maintain a balanced diet throughout the day. Debunking myths like snacking ruins your appetite is crucial. Strategic snacking can enhance your ability to stay full and satisfied. Understand that wholesome options like fruits, vegetables, and nuts are packed with essential nutrients. As we move forward, you'll see how addressing common snacking mistakes can further enhance your diet. What are some common snacking mistakes? Overeating, choosing unhealthy snacks, and skipping snacks can all be detrimental to your health. Overeating often happens when snacks are consumed mindlessly, leading to excessive calorie intake. Unhealthy snacks like sugary treats or processed foods can spike blood sugar and leave you fatigued. Skipping snacks might seem good to cut calories, but often results in overeating later. Recognizing these mistakes is just the first step. Moving forward, we'll show practical tips and strategies to overcome these snacking pitfalls. What makes a snack healthy? First, consider nutritional value. Choose snacks offering essential vitamins and minerals rather than empty calories. Next, portion control is key. Even healthy snacks can become unhealthy if eaten in large quantities. Finally, opt for natural ingredients over processed. Fresh fruits, nuts, and whole grains are excellent snacks that provide sustained energy and nourishment. Balancing these three criteria, nutritional value, portion control, and natural ingredients, ensures your snacking habits positively contribute to your health. As we move forward, you'll see. When it comes to choosing healthy snacks, plenty of delicious and nutritious options exist. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals and are easy to prepare. Grab an apple, slice some carrots, or enjoy a handful of berries for a refreshing treat. Nuts and seeds are convenient and rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds can be great additions to your snacking routine. Whole grains like whole grain crackers, oatmeal, and popcorn provide sustained energy and keep you full longer. Next, we'll delve into quick and easy snack recipes you can whip up in no time. Let's dive into some quick and easy snack recipes. These recipes are simple, using common ingredients. Follow these instructions to create delicious, healthy snacks quickly. First, we have a refreshing fruit and yogurt parfait. Layer your favorite fruits with Greek yogurt and top with granola. It's a nutritious and satisfying snack perfect anytime. Next, let's make avocado toast. Mash a ripe avocado, spread it on whole grain toast, and add a pinch of salt and pepper. For extra flavor, squeeze a bit of lemon juice or add red pepper flakes. Craving something crunchy? Try roasted chickpeas. Toss chickpeas with olive oil, salt, and your favorite spices. Bake them until crispy for a protein-packed snack that's tasty and filling. Prepare these snacks in bulk and store them in the fridge for quick, healthy options. Next, you'll see how healthy snacking can be fun for kids too, with recipes and ideas that make snack time enjoyable. Healthy snacking is important for kids too. Let's talk about kid-friendly snacks that are nutritious and fun. Consider fruits like apple slices or banana chunks. They're naturally sweet and satisfying. Pair them with protein-rich nut butter for a balanced treat kids will love. Vegetables can be exciting too. Vibrant carrot sticks or colorful bell pepper strips, served with tasty hummus, can be appealing. Whole grains like mini crackers or popcorn are perfect for tiny hands, loaded with fiber. Dairy options like yogurt and cheese sticks provide essential nutrients like calcium. For fun, make fruit kebabs or veggie faces on a plate. Let kids get involved in preparation. making it a creative activity. Combining nutrition with playful presentation meets dietary needs while keeping snack time interesting. Moving forward, you'll see how to pack these snacks on the go for health and convenience. Need snacks on the go? Here are portable, healthy ideas. Think fresh fruits like apples and bananas, or crunchy veggies like carrots and celery sticks. Easy to pack and munch on. For protein, add some nuts or seeds. Single-serve packs of cheese or yogurt are great dairy-friendly choices. The key to successful on-the-go snacking is preparation. Spend a few minutes the night before chopping veggies or portioning nuts. Prepare a week's worth of snacks on Sunday to save time during busy weekdays. Jazz things up with fun mixes: trail mix of almonds, dark chocolate chips, and dried fruit, or apple slices with nut butter. As we move forward, you'll see how these steps fit into your daily routine. Next, we'll discuss balancing snacks with meals for a harmonious, nutritious diet. How do you balance snacks with meals? Timing is key. Snacks should bridge gaps between meals without overshadowing them. Choose snacks that complement your meals. Think of your snack as an opportunity to fill nutritional gaps. If your meal lacked protein, opt for protein-rich snacks. If you missed out on veggies during lunch, grab a carrot stick or some hummus. Balance isn't just about nutrients. Moderation is essential. Avoid oversnacking by paying attention to portion sizes and hunger cues. Properly timed and balanced snacks help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day, preventing overeating later. Moving forward, you'll see more examples of incorporating balanced snacking into your routine. No matter your dietary restrictions, healthy snacking can be enjoyable and beneficial. For vegans, consider a variety of fruits, nuts, and seeds. These options not only satisfy hunger, but are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Gluten-free options can be just as tasty and nutritious. Think rice cakes topped with hummus or a mix of dried fruits and nuts which keep energy levels stable. Following a low-carb diet, options like cheese sticks, veggie sticks with guacamole, and hard-boiled eggs provide protein and healthy fats. Focusing on these alternatives ensures you nourish your body in alignment with your diet. Moving forward, you'll discover more tips to maintain a healthy snacking routine tailored to your needs. Understanding how to read nutrition labels can be a game changer in making healthier snack choices. Start by familiarizing yourself with serving sizes, as they influence all other nutritional information on the label. Look for key nutrients. Prioritize fiber, protein, and vitamins, which maintain good health. Equally important is recognizing ingredients to avoid. Steer clear of snacks high in added sugars, trans fats, and sodium, which can derail your healthy eating goals. By paying attention to these details, you ensure the snacks you pick are genuinely nutritious. As we move forward, you'll discover how to debunk common myths about healthy snacking. Let's debunk some common myths about healthy snacking. Many believe eating snacks between meals leads to weight gain. However, the type of snack matters more. Opting for nutrient-dense options can support weight management. Another belief is that all snacks labeled healthy are good for you, but marketing can be deceptive. Read nutrition labels to avoid snacks high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Some think snacking means mindlessly munching on junk food, but with proper planning and mindfulness, snacks can be part of a balanced diet. Moving forward, you'll see evidence-based insights and tips to make smarter snacking choices. Creating a healthy snacking plan can be a game changer for your health. First, plan snacks ahead to prevent impulsive, unhealthy choices. Incorporate a variety of snacks, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains to cover the range of nutrients your body needs. Lastly, stay consistent with your snacking plan. Consistency ensures healthy snacking becomes a natural part of your routine rather than a temporary change. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Moving forward, you'll see how these tips can integrate into your daily life. Staying motivated is essential for maintaining healthy snacking habits. Set clear, achievable goals and break them into smaller steps. Track your progress to stay accountable and celebrate victories, big or small. This keeps you focused and motivated. Reward yourself for sticking to your plan. Whether a small treat or a non-food reward, celebrating successes keeps you inspired. Motivation is the key to lasting change. Moving forward, you'll learn more about integrating these tips seamlessly into your routine. Thank you for watching. Remember, healthy snacking can make a big difference in your overall health. We've covered everything from why healthy snacking matters to practical tips for kids and busy lifestyles. Now, put those tips into action. Start making healthier choices today and check the resources in the description for more tips and recipes. Your journey to better health begins with a single step. So why wait? Click the links below and start your healthy snacking journey now.